Johan and I are in the woods heading towards an ant nest. We're going to stir up those ants and see what happens. Should be exciting. Shouldn't it, Johan?
Should be.
Alright. He's experienced, so he's got the know-how. The vine wrapped around this eucalyptus, or a gum tree as they call it here. Johan has spotted a bee's nest. There it is, up there in that tree. Very nice, mate. Well done. Ah. A little bit of damage that time. Oh, there we go. Hold still, hold still. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's a termite nest, alright. So what makes this kind of hole?
An ant lion.
An ant lion. And what does it do?
It's if when an ant falls in, it starts flicking up sand. And the more the ant tries to get out, the more it'll sink in.
Okay.
And when that ant sinks in at a certain depth, the antlion grabs it with his pincers and venom and kills the ant instantly.
Huh. Interesting.
And it'll suck it into the sand. Well, that's his head there. Here's his back. That's 2 legs. They're just playing dead right now. Watch.
Nice. Got him. Big termite mound. So we've arrived at the ant's nest, and you are the ant guide, the ant expert. So what kind of ants are these?
They're just the largest size of the green ant. It hurts a lot when they bite you. Definitely. Leave a nice mark. And they will swarm out if you interrupt their nest.
So they'll swarm out
bit by them.
if you interrupt the nest, huh?
This is a big one, probably the largest I've ever seen.
Here we go. Oh, look at that. That is impressive. Maybe you can see that, but they're running out towards us here. Yeah. They are all scurrying around.
And they'll keep coming.
Wow. Impressive.